Good morning, students. Today we'll start with the new chapter, that is heat and temperature. In this chapter, we will study about the difference between relative hotness or coldness, and we will also study about the flow of heat energy. Okay, so when we are talking about heat, what is heat? You all know that heat is a form of energy. Okay, the molecules of the substance are in continual vibration. What do you mean by vibration? Vibration means that they are continuously shaking. Okay, there is a continuous vibration in the molecules, and this internal molecular energy is available in the form of heat. And what is the primary source of heat on earth? The primary source of heat on earth is the sun. Now you all know, children, that during winters we all wear woolen clothes, and in summers we wear cotton clothes. What is the reason? Woolen clothes, what do? They prevent the heat loss from the body. And what about cotton clothes? The cotton clothes, they keep us cool. Okay, so and what is it? And if we can use our fingers or tongues to sense a perception. See, you must have seen that when it is very hot, if you touch your body, you may feel very, very warm, your body, and once you start sweating, your body becomes cool. So it is actually a sense like as perception. Okay, now we will see how it is a perception. You can do one activity to prove this. What you have to do is, you have to take 3 large bowls, A, B and C. Okay, in bowl A there is hot water. In bowl B you have to add ice and make the water cold. And in C, beaker C or bowl C, there is the normal water. You can say the plain water. You can take the tap water, and then make sure, first you have to make sure that the hot water is not too hot when you dip your hand. Now what you have to do is, you have to dip your right hand in bowl A and the left hand in bowl B for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now when you dip both the hands in the bowl for 2 to 3 minutes, what will happen? You will feel the sensation will be same as it is. That is, your right hand will be hot and your left hand will be cold. Then after 2 to 3 minutes, what you have to do? You have to put both your hands simultaneously into the tap water. Simultaneously means together, एक ही साथ दोनों हाथों को डालना है. Now what will you feel? Can you tell me, children? You can do this activity at home. What will you feel? In your right hand you had dipped it in the hot water. Now the same right hand, when you dip it in the tap water, what will you feel? You will feel that this water is cold, isn't it? And then the left hand, which was in ice cold water, when you put it in the tap water, that hand will feel warm. So you can see, children, that we cannot depend on the senses of touch, isn't it? Touch धोखा दे सकता है. Touch. See, जब तुमने right hand को hot water में डाला, it was hot, and left hand was cold. But when you put the same hand in the tap water, what did you feel? जो hot water का जो हाथ था, that was feeling cold, and this hand was feeling hot immediately, isn't it? Please try to do this activity at home, then you will be able to understand better. So what does this show? This shows that it is actually the sense of touch. We cannot rely on the sense of touch. यानी छू के हम लोग पता नहीं कर सकते कि whether an object is hot or cold. Obvious, you can touch, but you cannot always rely on that. हमेशा उसके ऊपर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. जैसे in this case, you cannot rely. Okay, so we cannot rely on our senses to find out whether a body is hot or cold. हमेशा we cannot rely. हमेशा हम लोग भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. Clear? Now heat and temperature. What is heat and temperature? Just now I told you heat is a form of energy which produces the sensation of hotness. It can make our body hotter. And if you touch a hot object and a cold object with your hand, we can very well feel the difference. बहुत अच्छे से पता चलता है difference. Okay. So what is temperature? Temperature is the measure of heat energy level in a body. Okay. That is called as temperature. And what is heat? Heat can be defined as the energy transferred from one body to another due to temperature difference between them. Okay. What is heat? The energy transferred from one body to another. जितना transfer हो रहा है due to temperature difference between them. Every time heat will travel only when there is a temperature difference between them. Okay. See, if heat flows out of the body, अगर heat body के बाहर निकलेगा तो क्या होगा? The body will be cool. Whereas if the heat flows into the body, अगर body के अंदर heat आएगा, it warms the body. Okay. And what is the heat is measured in the unit of joules. Okay. And named after James Prescott Joule. Who discovered this? It was James Prescott Joule who discovered it. That is why who discovered the unit of heat. So, and what is the unit of heat? The unit of heat is joule. Clear, children? I hope that this much is clear to all of you. Please perform the activity at home. Then you will know what the difference between hotness and coolness. Thank you, children.